Hello, my name is George, and in this Semrush tutorial for beginners, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use this powerful SEO tool step by step. I'm going to show you how to find keyword opportunities tailored to your website, optimize your content to rank higher on Google, discover backlink opportunities your competitors are using, and quickly check for technical issues that might be holding your site back. I've been using Semrush for years in my own business, and today I'll show you how to get real, practical results without wasting time. And by the way, if you don't have Semrush yet, check out the special link in the description of this video. You'll get an extended 14-day free trial instead of the standard 7 days, so you can follow along with me and test everything yourself. All right, let's dive right in. Getting started with Semrush. All right, once you log into Semrush, the first thing you will see is the main dashboard and the menu on the left-hand side. Before you do anything else, I recommend adding your website as a project. This way, Semrush can track your site and give you custom insights. Let's do that together. I'm going to type in answersocrates.com here, and then click this purple Start Now button to begin. Once your project is set up, you'll also see AI-powered recommendations right on the dashboard. Things like backlinks lost, new keywords, broken pages, technical audit, keywords found, and competitors found. We're going to go through each one step by step. SEO dashboard and AI recommendations. Once you've added your website, Semrush's AI Copilot will start giving you recommendations right away. Let's break down what you will see. Number 1, backlinks lost. You'll see notifications about lost or gained backlinks. If you click on these, it takes you straight to the backlink analytics tool where you can see which domains are linking to you and which ones you've lost. Number 2, new keywords. Semrush will suggest fresh keyword opportunities. These are quick wins where you can rank easily. For example, you might see something like, answer the public free alternative, 110 searches per month. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the organic research page where you can analyze that keyword in detail. Number 3, broken pages. Next, you might see warnings about broken pages on your site. Click on that notification, and Semrush will show you exactly which URLs are broken. Plus, you can test them in one click. Number 4, technical audit. You'll also get prompts to run a site audit. This checks for technical issues that might hurt your rankings. I'll show you how to set that up in just a second. Number 5, keywords found. Finally, you'll see a recommendation to start position tracking. This tool will monitor where your site ranks for specific keywords, and you can even get weekly updates by email. Number 6, competitors found. Add them to the competitors list and get more tailored SEO insights. Once you've reviewed these recommendations, the next step is to dive deeper into keyword research and competitor analysis. That's where the fun really starts. Organic research tool. Now, let's dive into one of the most powerful features in Semrush, the organic research tool. This is where you can see exactly which keywords your website is ranking for, how much traffic you're getting, and where you have room to improve. Here's how to use it. Number 1, choose your market and device. First, select your target market, for example, the United States. Then choose whether you want to analyze desktop or mobile data. I recommend starting with desktop for simplicity. Number 2, set the date range. You can also choose the most recent month or pick a custom date range to see how your rankings have changed over time. Number 3, review key metrics. Once the data loads, you will see total organic traffic, number of ranking keywords, and estimated traffic costs. This shows how much it would cost to buy this traffic via ads. Number 4, understand keyword positions. Semrush shows you where your keywords rank. Positions 1 to 10 are on the first page of Google, 11 to 20 are on the second page, and so on. You can filter keywords by positions to quickly spot keywords where you're close to page 1. These are easy opportunities to focus on. Number 5, keyword intent. Each keyword also has an intent label. Informational, people looking for answers. Navigational, people searching for a specific site. Commercial, people researching products or services. And transactional, people ready to buy or take action. This helps you understand what kind of content to create. Number 6, keyword difficulty. You'll also see a color-coded difficulty score. Green, easy to rank for. Yellow, possible with good intent. Orange/red, more difficult, will require stronger backlinks and authority.
Number 7, SERP features. You can also spot which keywords trigger special search results, like featured snippets, images, or people also ask boxes. Number 8, export your keywords. Once you've filtered the data, you can export the entire keyword list in one click and start planning your content strategy. In short, the organic research tool gives you everything you need to understand where your site stands and where the biggest opportunities are. Technical SEO check, broken pages, site audit, position tracking setup. Now that we've looked at organic research, let's cover another key part of SEO, making sure your website is technically sound. Semrush makes this easy with a few built-in tools. Number 1, finding and fixing broken pages. Broken pages, also called 404 errors, can hurt both user experience and SEO. Semrush automatically detects these for you. Here's how to check for them. First, go to Backlink Analytics and look for the Broken Pages section. Number 2, click on any broken URL and Semrush will open it in a new tab so you can confirm if it's actually broken. If the page is broken, you have two options. First, redirect it to a relevant working page. This is best for SEO. Or fix the issue if the page is supposed to be live. By keeping broken pages in check, you can improve your site's rankings and user experience. Number 2, running a site audit. The site audit tool is like a health checkup for your website. It scans for issues like broken links, slow loading pages, missing meta descriptions, and crawlability problems. Here's how to set it up. Number 1, go to Site Audit in the left-hand menu. Number 2, click Create Project and select your website. Number 3, choose how many pages you want to scan. 100 is a good starting point. Then click Start Site Audit and wait for Semrush to analyze your site. Once it's done, you'll get a health score and a list of issues you can fix to improve SEO. Number 3, setting up position tracking. If you want to track your keyword rankings over time, the position tracking tool does exactly that. Here's how to set it up. Number 1, go to Position Tracking in the left menu. Number 2, enter your domain. Number 3, choose your search engine and device. Google and desktop is the default. Number 4, enter your location. You can track rankings at a national or city level. Number 5, choose preferred language. English is the default. Number 6, you can enter a full business name, but this is optional. And number 7, add the keywords you want to monitor and click Add Keywords to Campaign. Click Start Tracking to get daily ranking updates. You can even set up email alerts to get weekly reports on how your keywords are performing. With these 3 tools, Broken Pages Check, Site Audit, and Position Tracking, you can keep your website in top shape and catch SEO issues before they hurt your rankings. Next, let's move on to competitive research, where we spy on the competition and find opportunities they are missing. Competitive research, spy on your competitors. Now, it's time for one of my favorite parts, competitive research. Semrush makes it super easy to see what your competitors are doing, where they're getting traffic, and what keywords and backlinks are working for them. Let's go step by step. Number 1, Domain Overview. Start by heading to the Domain Overview tool. Enter your competitor's domain, for example, socratesplatform.com. Choose the market, like the US or worldwide, and click Search. You will instantly see their authority score, estimated monthly organic traffic, top countries they're ranking in, and traffic trends over time. Scroll down and you'll also find their top organic keywords, the distribution of keyword intents, and a visual map of their main organic competitors. This gives you a bird's eye view of how strong they are and what's driving their traffic. Number 2, Keyword Gap Tool. Next, let's head over to the Keyword Gap Tool. Enter your domain and up to 4 competitors. Select organic keywords and click Compare. Here's where the magic happens. Use the untapped filter to find keywords your competitors are ranking for, but you are not. These are golden opportunities where you can create content and potentially outrank them. If you're serious about content marketing, this tool alone can fill up your content calendar for months. Number 3, Backlink Gap Tool. Finally, check out the Backlink Gap Tool. Enter your competitors' domains. Hit Find Prospect and select the best filter. This shows domains linking to all of your competitors, but not to you. This gives you a list of potential backlink opportunities. These sites are already linking to others in your space, so they're much more likely to link to your content too if you reach out. Quick recap. Domain Overview shows you the big picture. Keyword Gap helps you find content opportunities, and backlink gap helps you find link building opportunities. Next up, let's talk about how to do keyword research with Semrush and find those easy to rank for keywords. Keyword research, finding keywords you can actually rank for. Now that you know what your competitors are ranking for, let's focus on finding the best keywords for your own website. Semrush makes this super simple with two tools, Keyword Overview and the Keyword Magic tool. Number 1, Keyword Overview. Start with the Keyword Overview tool. Enter a keyword you're thinking about targeting. For example, debt consolidation. Select your market, like the US, and click Search. Here's what you will see. Search volume. How many people are searching for this keyword per month? Keyword difficulty. Color-coded, showing how hard it is to rank. Green, easy. Yellow, possible with good content. Orange, red, tough, needs authority and backlinks. Intent. Is this keyword informational, commercial, or transactional? And then cost per click, CPC. This shows how much advertisers are willing to pay per click for this keyword. Now, quick tip on CPC. The higher the CPC, the more valuable that keyword usually is. Why? Well, because if advertisers are spending money on that keyword, it likely converts well. So when you see a keyword with decent volume and a high CPC, that's a strong sign that it can bring you not just traffic, but paying customers. You'll also see related keywords, questions, and variations below. If you like the keyword, you can add it to your keyword list in just one click. Number 2, Keyword Magic tool. This is where things get really fun. Enter your seed keyword, like debt consolidation. Semrush will generate thousands of keyword variations, questions, and related topics. Here's how to narrow it down. Use the volume filter to find keywords with at least 1,000 monthly searches. Set the keyword difficulty filter to possible or easy. And now you're left with golden keywords, good search volume, and realistic to rank for. You can also use the built-in low-hanging fruit filter, which shows easy win keywords with decent traffic potential. Another trick, click on questions in the Keyword Magic tool. This gives you question-based keywords you can turn into blog posts or FAQ content. Super useful for ranking and capturing long-tail traffic. Now, quick pro tip, SERP analysis. Before you commit to creating content, take 30 seconds to check what's already ranking on Google for that keyword. Open an incognito window, search your keyword, and look at the top results. Are they list posts, tutorials, product comparisons? Whatever Google is rewarding, match that style and aim to make yours even better. Number 3, organizing your keywords. As you go, save the best keywords to a list. You can export everything later and start planning your content strategy. All right, quick recap. Keyword Overview helps you quickly check keyword potential. Keyword Magic tool helps you find keyword ideas at scale. Use filters to target easy-to-rank keywords with good traffic. Up next, I'll show you how to use Semrush Keyword Strategy Builder, an AI-powered tool that helps you structure your content with pillar pages and subpages. Keyword Strategy Builder. Plan your content like a pro. Now that you've found some great keywords, the next step is to organize them into a proper content plan. And Semrush's Keyword Strategy Builder makes this super easy. Instead of guessing which topics should be pillar pages and which should be supporting subpages, this tool uses AI to structure everything for you. Number 1, enter your seed keywords. Start by entering up to 5 seed keywords related to your website. For example, debt consolidation, debt relief, and credit repair. Then click Create Lists. Number 2, Visual Topic Map. Semrush will create a visual map that shows your pillar pages, these are the main topics, suggested subpages, supporting articles, search volume, keyword difficulty, and even competitive insights for each topic cluster. This lets you instantly see which topics are worth focusing on. Number 3, dive deeper into each topic. Click on any topic or subpage, and Semrush will show you related keywords, search volume and difficulty, competitors already ranking for this content, SERP features, and backlink opportunities. Number 4, create content briefs with Content Shake AI. Here's where things get really powerful. Once you found the topic you want to cover, click Create Brief or Content and select Brief in Content Shake AI. Content Shake AI will help you automatically pull competitor articles for inspiration, suggest article titles, add recommended keywords, build out a content structure for you, write your meta description, and even generate entire article sections with AI, paragraph by paragraph. It's like having a built-in content strategist and writer in one tool. If you like what the AI generates, you can use it as a starting point and tweak it. If not, you can regenerate or adjust on the fly. You can either write directly inside Semrush or export the brief to Google Docs and share it with your team or writer. Conclusion. All right, and that's how you use Semrush step by step. Find keyword opportunities, spy on your competitors, build a content strategy, track your rankings, and keep your website healthy and optimized. If you follow these steps, you will have everything you need to start driving more organic traffic to your site without wasting time on guesswork. And if you haven't grabbed your free trial yet, don't forget you can get 14 days free using the special link below instead of the usual 7. And if this tutorial helped, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments what other tools or tutorials you'd like me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.